Very, very dirty moves today. Well, managed to get to profit, but first let me tell you that this move here in the London session live stream, we took a short, immediately took out my stop, and then boom, went down to the target. So I really, really hated that. And then it just pumped all the way up there during the day. Managed to recoup some of my losses here when I was looking for this 1 hour fair value gap to be filled. Eventually it did. It was still during the kill zone, but since the New York Open happened and Jerome Powell is speaking, everything is just pumping without clear indication where are we going. I mean, I still have some ideas, but I just said no. I'm glad that I got back from my losses. I spent too much time with this anyway. By the way, as I said, we're up in profit $150 across the evaluation account. So this is the Bulenox account, which is up $37. The My Funded Futures account is up $35. Apex account is up $38, and the other Apex account is also up $40. So overall up $150. At least I got out from my losses because I was just upsizing my positions today. I wanted to speed things up a little bit and immediately took a loss. And also good news that if you use my promo code, I just got this information today, TomSabo, if you use the TomSabo code at My Funded Futures, you can get a 30% discount if you use my registration links. And guys, there's going to be a giveaway next Monday or Tuesday at My Funded Futures, a 50K account. So make sure to stay tuned and also subscribe because it's going to be awesome. There's going to be a link that you can fill out your email and name, and we're giving away one account on live stream next week. So what else do we have? Yeah, that's it. Friday tomorrow I'll be here in London. Hopefully nothing extreme is going to happen, but today was most likely a break-even day. But it's part of trading, so what can we do? Bulenox sale is still going on today, so grab your accounts, 90% off. But yeah, it was a good day, but super tired, not taking more chances. Thank you so much. See you guys.